Hey everyone, in this video we will talk about bidirectional relationships and some of the side effects that could happen as a result of modeling data as bidirectional relationships. So you have to be fairly careful. I've got this Power BI file open here with me, and as you can see I've got a relationship from customers to sales order. So I've got a relationship from customer to sales order, and I've got a relationship from product to sales order. So it's a one-to-many relationship from product to sales order, and similarly there's a one-to-many relationship from customer to sales order as well. Now let's quickly go at the report I've created. So you can see customer region, you can see product name, and you can see the quantity sold. So you can change the filter, and you can see for India you can see there's a quantity of 50 sold. Similarly, when I change to Australia, it makes it 40. Now there might be some products which have specifically been sold for Australia and some products specifically sold for India, but in this case, even if we change the country, nothing else changes. So we still have the slicers and the value obviously changes. So now let's go back here and let's just make a relationship between sales order and product table as bidirectional. So if we filter the customer ID, it should filter out to the product level. So let's go back here. And now you can see it's automatically filtered for 2. And if I select Australia, because we've only sold Goblet of Fire, a book, it only shows that. And if I go and select India, you can see that it is showing us the products which have been sold to India. So let's just filter it out, and now it shows us all of these 3 slicers. So if you've got an end user, he or she might get confused that the slicer values are changing, and that is because you've implemented bidirectional relationships. So it's just something to be aware of when you implement bidirectional relationships, that some values can disappear or may disappear, and test them rigorously before you go ahead and pass a solution on to maybe a support team or to a customer to manage. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Let me know if you would like me to take any specific topics. Cheers, bye.